Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to make a cleansing buff, and this is what it is going to look like. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to use this like a powder face wash, but this is not like your normal powder face washes because this is made with completely organic and natural ingredients. And as you see the video, you'll understand all the ingredients are absolutely natural. Now, if you are someone who has dry skin, you can skip out the Kaolin Clay and keep all the other ingredients. And if you are someone who has more oily skin like I do, just use the Kaolin Clay because that is going to make your skin less oily and it's going to regulate sebum production on your skin, right? So the way you have to use this is just take some water, take some powder, take some water, rub it like you would, and apply this on your face and scrub your face. It's a very gentle scrub, like the name suggests. It's a buff. Okay, it's not really going to scrub your face in a harsh way like walnut and apricot scrubs do. It is going to scrub your face in the most mildest way. So I'm not going to make you wait any longer. So let's get straight into the video. So to make this facial buff soap, the first ingredient that we are using is this coconut powder. If you have acne prone skin, oily skin, dehydrated skin, sensitive skin, whatever skin you have, this powder is going to hydrate your skin and soothe your skin at the same time. And it's also going to give a nice exfoliation when you use it. So this is going to be one of our base powders. Okay. After that, by the way, guys, look at this cute mini beaker that I got. So this has sandalwood powder, which is going to be our next ingredient. Sandalwood is really good to detoxify your skin, to brighten your skin, tighten your skin. It has many other properties. So we are going to be adding that. If you are someone who has dry skin, you can reduce the amount of sandalwood powder because it does make your skin a little bit dry. Don't skip it, reduce it. The next ingredient we are adding is some kaolin clay. Kaolin clay has many benefits. The number one and the most important reason why I am using it is because it's a very gentle clay. It's okay for any skin type, especially if you have acne prone skin. This buff is going to help you control your excess oil production so much. And even if you have any other skin type, dry, sensitive, it's going to work perfectly fine because it's really gentle. Then we are using some xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is going to increase the foam of sorts, and it is also going to give a nice texture and feel to the end product, which is why we are using that. The next thing is some vitamin C powder, which is the ascorbic acid, L-ascorbic acid. And as you can see, it looks like this. It's like the salt sugar type crystal, but it's really fine. It looks like finer salt. Okay, so we're going to be adding that in. That's going to help with brightening our skin. And this is the most important ingredient, you guys. This is SCI powder or sodium cocoyl isethionate powder, which is going to be a surfactant. And this is what is going to give this buff the foam. And once you have added all the ingredients in, you have to mix it. Now, guys, when you're mixing powders, okay, be very gentle when you're mixing, especially when you're mixing powders like these because they are so fine. Sandalwood powder, kaolin clay, very fine powders. Okay, so just make sure you're mixing it in a very mild and gentle manner. Otherwise, it's all going to go up your nose and into your lungs. You can also add in other ingredients, but these ingredients, in my opinion, work the best when added together. Now, how to use it? Just take some powder on your hand and add some water. If you can use your AquaGuard or Bisleri water. It's going to work better in that. And this is your cleansing buff. I hope you guys are enjoying these DIY videos. If you are, let me know in the comments and I'll make more of these videos. Thanks for watching.